Hey guys, what's up and welcome to today's video. Finally, I have my BoxyCharm and my Ipsy, so I can finally do an unboxing for you guys. These boxes have been arriving later and later, it seems. With the exception of last month, all of my Ipsys showed up super early, but this month I only got 2 of the 3, so I'm mixing it up a bit, and we're doing a good old BoxyCharm versus Ipsy. So obviously I have the BoxyCharm base box, and then I have the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So we're gonna put these two guys head to head and see who is the winner. I honestly have no idea what I got. Obviously, I know my choice item in BoxyCharm and my choice item in this box, but other than that, I have no clue. So let's go ahead and jump into it and let's see who I think is the winner between BoxyCharm and Ipsy for the month of July. I know I sound like a broken record, but holy shit. How is it nearly August, you guys? Like, I sit here and I'm just like, I physically cannot. I don't know where the time has gone. Nonetheless, we are going to start off with Ipsy. I feel like normally I start off with BoxyCharm, but like I said, we're mixing it up today. Let's pull out the card. Take a break is the theme for Ipsy. The first item I see in here is from Purelyce. I hope I'm saying that correctly. This is their Matcha Green Tea Antioxidant Priming Moisturizer. I have been very intrigued by this brand, and I got one of their face washes in, I think it was last month's box, maybe? I can't remember. I am swimming up to here in subscription box products that I just haven't gotten to yet. I haven't had a chance to try it. Here's what the packaging looks like. We have a very loud airplane flying overhead right now. It says it is a lightweight, oil-free water cream that primes the skin for makeup. This is for oily combination, normal, or even sensitive skin. Now, they didn't call out dry skin, which is usually where I'm at, but with a primer, I can make up for that with a good moisturizer. Let's go ahead and try a little bit on the back of the hand and show you guys what it looks like. My hands are really dry, so this will be a good test. Feels very nice, feels pretty hydrating. It does have that green tea scent. It almost reminds me of the toiletries that were inside of a hotel I stayed at recently. I believe it was a Westin several months ago before this whole pandemic hit. It smells really nice. I wonder if there is actual added fragrance in this, and there is. It is the last ingredient, which is meh. I don't love fragrances in my products, but as long as it's minimal, that's totally okay with me. I don't see anything crazy in here as anything that would irritate my skin. It seems very minimal and clean. It says it is free of parabens, mineral oil, phthalates, and it is cruelty-free. So I'll have to definitely try this out, add it to the bin of skincare that I have yet to dive into. Moving on to the next item. Now, this was my choice item because this is one of my all-time favorite mascaras. In fact, I do have it on today. This is the Tarte C Surfer Curl Mascara. You guys, this stuff is so good. I recently bought a 2-pack off of QVC, and I wasn't even out of the tube that I was currently using. So now I have 3 for backup, which is fantastic. If you have not tried out this mascara, you're missing out. I will be totally honest with you. It does have a standard brush, so it doesn't have one of those pokey silicone brushes on it, which I don't mind those, but I do have to be honest, I do prefer a mascara brush like this. This mascara just lifts and curls and makes your lashes look absolutely breathtaking. I am obsessed. It is so good, long wearing, doesn't flake or smudge. It's just one of the best mascaras, if not the best, that I have ever tried. Moving on to the next item, we have something from Nature's Cartel. I have seen this brand in my Ipsy box one other time. I got like a cream shadow quad. This is a shimmer lip gloss in the shade VCR Static. So here's what the packaging looks like. Super cute. It's got like this leopard print on the side. Now, Nature's Cartel is supposed to be a clean brand. So when I did take my Ipsy quiz in the very beginning, I did indicate that I wanted to try more clean beauty brands. So I'm glad to see this in the box. This looks extremely shimmery. I almost worry that this might look white on the lips. Let's go ahead and give it a swatch. Oh yeah. I don't know if you guys will be able to see that will pick up on camera, but that is like extremely reflective. Let's go ahead and try it out. I do already have some lip gloss on, but I do want to see how this looks. No white cast at all. It actually reminds me a lot of the Glossier holographic gloss that I have. Doesn't feel sticky. It looks really pretty, actually. What do you guys think? I think it's nice. And it's not sticky, like I said, so that one would be one I could just toss in my purse and get some good use out of. The next item we have, is from Il Makiage. I think, was this another choice that I had? I'm not quite sure. I can't even remember, you guys. But this is one of their multi-dimensional eye colors. It's one of their Color Boss single shadows, and this is in the shade Eye on the Prize. Il Makiage always has the most extra packaging. In fact, I have been meaning to do a full face of Il Makiage for you guys, so comment down below and let me know if you would like to see that. For a single shadow, this also feels like it weighs about a pound. Crazy. I love their packaging. I tried a lot of Il Makiage and I'm impressed with a lot of it. I am wearing the bronzer today. It is beautiful. Here is what the shade looks like in the pan. It's just like a coppery metallic shade. I always like to do a swinger. I combined finger and swatch together. Swinger. I like to do a swinger for you guys. There we go. We're making up words. Let's go ahead and do a swatch. Yeah, look at that. That is gorgeous, even toned, doesn't skip. Their eyeshadow formula actually feels quite unique. It almost feels like it's like a gel-like consistency. It's so strange. I can't describe it. It's not like the bouncy ColourPop like Super Shock shadows. A very unique texture, something I've never felt before. So that is another item that we got in this box. And then last, or this bag, I had a subscriber yell at me once, or maybe she wasn't even a subscriber, I don't know, but she got like really upset that I was calling the Ipsy bags boxes. And I'm like, girl, my bad. It comes shipped in a box. So it looks like we have from Midflower. This is their Pure series, it says. This is their hyaluronic acid moisturizing mask. I do like a good mask. I don't really know how effective sheet masks are. I can't imagine how much of what's in it is actually getting into the skin, how big the molecule is, how much of a benefit that you're actually getting from a product like this. Looking at the ingredients, it says water, propylene glycol, and sodium hyaluronate. So the third ingredient is hyaluronic acid, which is surprising to me. One thing I don't like about sheet masks is that fragrance is always somewhere in the ingredients. It is listed last on this, but for some reason, even though it's listed as the last ingredient, for some reason sheet masks always end up smelling so incredibly fragrant to me. So to be honest with you guys, I have like a bin full of sheet masks that I have gotten from Ipsy and BoxyCharm that I haven't even used yet. Let me show you what the bag looks like for this month. It says Wanderlust on it. This definitely feels a little bit more cheap compared to some of the other bags that I have gotten from Ipsy in the past. It's very kind of translucent. It feels a little bit plasticky and cheap. However, I can see where this is something that might be like beach friendly. So if you toss like your sunscreen in here, water is going to roll off of it, that sort of thing. So maybe that is the point. The zipper on it is really cute. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's like a little airplane, really adorable. The bags are always cute from Ipsy. It's just that this one feels a little bit cheapy and plasticky. Let's go ahead and move on to BoxyCharm. My box got real beat up in the mail this time. I don't think I've ever had my box arrive quite like this. Like, look at my card. Leave me a comment down below and let me know if you're still not getting a card in your box. I heard through the grapevine that BoxyCharm was getting rid of the insert, but I have continually gotten them. So I don't know what the deal is with that. The theme for this month is sunshine. Obviously, as you know, all of the products and the value are listed on the back, and I have variation number 35, which is lower than what I've had in the past. I'm actually surprised to see this in here. I didn't even know that this was a possibility. This is the new Sol de Janeiro shampoo and conditioners. I almost bought this off of Sephora, and I'm actually really excited that this is in here. I absolutely love the Bum Bum fragrance. I can actually smell it like outside of the container. So obviously these are like travel sizes. I would say they are 3 ounces each. And it says this is valued at $24. So I am really excited to try these out. It does say that it is sulfate free, which is really nice. So yeah, I'll have to keep you guys posted on how well these work. Hair is something that I am obviously very lazy with. I don't invest a lot into my hair care, which, yes, I know I probably should. So I'm curious. Let me know in the comments if you have tried that shampoo and conditioner before. The next item I see is from Ciate London. I feel like I have gotten more Ciate London in the past couple months from subscription boxes than like anything else. I have quite the collection going here of Ciate London products, and I've mentioned this before. For some reason, this brand just doesn't call to me. I don't know if it's like the packaging or if the products just aren't quite there. I just picture it being like very very fragranced and just kind of like kitschy, gimmicky, I call it. So this is their Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Spray. It's valued at $22. It is 2.53 ounces. Let's see, looking at the ingredients, it says it has niacinamide, will give you a dewy finish, has fresh coconut extract, but the second ingredient is straight up alcohol. Not a fan of that. There is fragrance in this as well. Castor oil, see what I mean? I mean, this is just not something I could see myself reaching for. The packaging itself is really nice. This is very pretty packaging. Does have a nice mister. Shit, that does smell really good though. Just smells like straight up like a fresh coconut. I'll probably give this a try. I mean, I do like the all-nighter setting spray, and that has straight up alcohol in it too, which can help extend the wear of your makeup. Yes, it's not the best ingredient in the world, but why not? We'll give it a try. Moving on to the next item, we have from Clean Skin Club. Never heard of them. This is their Watermelon Green Tea Pineapple Vitamin C Brightening Booster. I am extremely picky about my vitamin C serums. Let's see what this one says as far as ingredients goes. Let's see where the vitamin C finally comes into play. Call me crazy, but I don't actually see a vitamin C listed on here. I just see like the fruit extracts. I don't see an actual vitamin C in here. It says in there that there is flavor and aroma. This thing weighs a lot, and wow, is this packaging gorgeous. This is valued at $49.95. Try it on this hand. It does have a dropper. Ugh, that just looks not very pleasing. Wow, that one little drop goes a very, very long way. Doesn't have much of a scent, but it almost smells powdery, which I wish they would have just let the pineapple, the green tea, the watermelon, those extracts actually come through and have that natural fragrance in there from the ingredients themselves, because the scent almost throws me off. And now looking at the bottle, it just reminds me of like laundry detergent or something, like with the color and the way that it smells. It straight up smells like a fabric softener or something like that. I feel like if we're gonna put skincare in boxes, can we not put items like that? I would love to see like good ingredients, some good skincare in the box, because I'm telling you right now, I don't really know how beneficial this would be, and I cannot see myself paying $50 for it when you can get the Mad Hippie Vitamin C, which is the one I've been using recently that works fantastic and is like $20. So a lot of the times, you just have to watch ingredients like that. I'm just not super impressed with that product. So far, really, the only thing that I'm actually super excited about in this box is the shampoo and conditioner. Who would have thunk? Like I said, I don't get very excited about hair care products. I just realized I'm actually missing an item from my box. It says I'm supposed to have the Duce Fierce and Fine Graphic Pen. So I'm supposed to have a graphic eyeliner in here that retails at $21, and I don't have it anywhere in the box. This is almost like an episode of Chopped. BoxyCharm, you forgot an ingredient, and that almost pretty much disqualifies you from the round. So anyways, moving on to the last item that is in my box. This is from Ace Beauté. This is the Blushed in Paradise palette. This retails for $30. I am obsessed with my blushes recently, so I'm not even mad that this is in the box. These shades are beautiful. And I always love Ace Beauty's. Did I say Ace Beauté? It's Ace Beauty. I love their packaging. Look how pretty this is. So cute. It's like vintage, and I love the flowers on it. This is just so adorable. But here are what the shades look like in the palette. So we've got 4 blushes. It does have a mirror on the inside. I'll go ahead and do a swatch of these. They swatch nice, buttery smooth, and I do like that this will work for a ton of different skin tones. So here is what the blushes look like. Definitely could see myself using the first 3. I could even use the 4th shade if I just brush it on lightly. This is a gorgeous palette. I don't know what it is. I am just blush hungry lately. Like, I just yearn for blushes. Give me all the blush. I am obsessed. So let's go ahead. Who wins between the 2 boxes? I'm gonna have to give it to Ipsy, which really is no surprise to me. Typically, Ipsy just hits the nail on the head. I think their ordering process is just a little bit better. And what I mean by that is like the customization behind it. You get to rate your products every single month. That way it lets them know if you're enjoying either the brand you got, the type of product you got. It asks you all of those questions, which can help make your boxes month after month better and better, which I think is awesome. And that's just one thing that I really truly love about Ipsy. I haven't gotten any repeat items yet. I haven't really gotten any repeats from BoxyCharm either, but again, they're disqualified from the round. They forgot to put a $21 value item in my box. So I'm gonna have to email them about that. Leave me a comment down below and let me know if you subscribe to either Ipsy or BoxyCharm. What box did you like more this month? Is there one that you prefer over the other? Or have you given up and just canceled everything to begin with? I'll tell you that BoxyCharm is really truly on thin ice with me. I can't lie. I don't know if you guys have checked out my what is up with BoxyCharm video. Are they scamming us? The whole thing. If you haven't yet, check it out. I will link it in the description box below. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you liked it, share it, and of course, please be sure to subscribe to my channel before you go. I love you guys so much, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye, guys!